What's going on, guys? Dude Smith here. Today we're gonna opening up 2 packs of these basketball 1993 draft picks. Yeah, 9 trading cards per sheet, and let's see what you can get. These are not all of them. Special bonus card checklist. This is the special cards. These people, Shaquille O'Neal and Juan and Chris Webber up there. I don't recognize a lot of the other ones, but let's open it. Okay, let's open. Pull the second tray. Okay, right there. Under this white sheet, you can see right there. Okay. Let's see who we got. Brent Scott, Spencer Dunkley, John Best, Rex Walters, Charles Tony, Duncan, Matt Nover. That one's not bad. Now for the last pack. Let's hope that we get Shaq. Make this video a bit interesting. Like I said, I don't recognize much of those people on that thing. I don't recognize many people that I just opened up. So in the comments, tell me if people are good or not. I'll just figure it out myself. Okay. Okay. I don't see Shaq, but okay. Good. Okay, there's not many of you guys, but I still got these before they were drafted. That's good. I mean, it's better than nothing. Okay. Hey, where's the 9? So subscribe if you want more of card openings. Peace out.